Unraveling the Phrase in a Brawl. Hello everyone, today, we're going to delve into the colorful world of English idioms and phrases. In a brawl is our phrase of the day, and we'll uncover what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you understand it fully. So, let's get started. In a brawl refers to being involved in a rough or noisy fight, usually in a public place where more than two people are involved. It doesn't always mean a physical fight. It can also be used metaphorically to describe a heated argument or dispute. The phrase has its roots in the Old Norse word, brawling, which meant to brandish. Over time, it's come to describe the chaotic nature of a fight among a group of people. Knowing the origin helps us understand the intensity implied in the phrase. Let's look at how to use this phrase in everyday language. The football fans were in a brawl after the match. The debate turned into a verbal brawl, with both sides refusing to back down. Beyond physical fights, in a brawl can describe any situation where there is a conflict or a clash. For example, the board meeting ended with executives in a brawl over the new policy. And there you have it. Whether it's a noisy fight in the streets or a fierce debate, being in a brawl is all about conflict. I hope this has been enlightening and adds a new phrase to your English repertoire. Stay curious, and I'll see you in our next video.